Well, we have made provision, extensive provision within the budget for 2021 to deal with very significant COVID costs through the year. So you're right. We assumed, for example, that there wouldn't be a Brexit trade deal, and there has been, so that's a positive. We assumed that there wouldn't be a widespread vaccination programme, and the vaccination programme has started. So that's a positive in that we're doing better than our assumption. But equally, we didn't assume stringent lockdowns for a prolonged period of time, and that's what we have right now. But I want to reassure businesses and households that we are going to stand with them. We are going to continue with the supports that we are providing. We recognise how invaluable they are. I watched your show last night and the hoteliers were on, and to be fair, they recognised the supports government are providing. We will continue with those supports. So we've provided really extensive resources in the form of our COVID contingency fund, our recovery fund. We have about $5.5 billion or so there that can be allocated, and it will be needed. It will be drawn down over the next number of months to ensure that we can continue with those schemes. And tragically, we have 475,000 people on the PUP payment now. Over 100,000 of them actually lost their job last March and haven't worked since through no fault of their own. So we're going to have a huge job of work ahead of government when we get through this to rebuild the economy and help people get back to work.